So I'm using black and I'm just placing 5 dots where I start, where I want to curve, and where I end, and I'm just connecting the dots together just like that. Do not use too much force, just kind of color the inside and use a spoolie to just sweep to blend. We call it blending. It's just to brush off the harsh lines. So if you don't have this spoolie, you can use a toothbrush just to blend, but make sure that you are not going to spread it over. So with the concealer and the flat brush, I'm just cleaning the eyebrow. So just make sure as you are doing that, you are making a nice shape or following the exact shape, but you just want to clean the eyebrow to look decent. So as a beginner, you don't have to use black liner, you need to use brown. It will look natural and nice. So I'm just placing where I want to start, where I want to curve, and at the end, you see 5 dots, and I'm connecting. So I just do it to emphasize and to show you how you can connect in a different way. So I'm feeling, just make sure that you are using light force. Whatever you are doing, do not use too much force because we don't want harsh lines. So I'm using the concealer again to clean. So you see the brush that I'm using, it is a flat brush. I'm not using a fluffy one, but it's a flat brush. If you have a flat brush, use that one and make sure that the bristles are straight. The bristles are straight. So I'm using a very small beauty sponge. I usually use